Hey, when mama's got to pay the rent, I don't mess around. I go right to my bread and butter headline. That's a benefit headline. The reason why I call it my bread and butter is because, man, it's just solid. It's a good way to get your message out to your customer and have a good chance of getting a success from it. It just lays it on the line. A benefit headline just spells out the benefits, without a whole lot of hype or hoopla. They're really good. I really enjoy them. They work really well. So here's some examples. Let's see, this one. All right, it's a lot of copy, but listen for the benefit. It's true, your arteries go, from this to this. So that's my pre-head, setting it up here. Now you can flush plaque out of your arteries without IV chelation therapy, oral chelation pills, or dangerous surgeries, and experience amazing results 10 times faster than ever. Nothing fancy schmancy here. It's just solid benefits. For people who are interested in this process of using chelation therapy, they know what the differences are between IV chelation or surgeries or pills. So I'm just laying it right on the line here with a solid benefit of this is what this product's going to do for you. That's a benefit headline. But I got more for you. Okay. This one. Beet Secret of Olympic athletes, now proven a genuine circulation booster. Improves blood flow, revs up energy, improves stamina and performance. Bam. That's it. It's a Beet Secret, so there's a little intrigue to that. But the bottom line is, here are the benefits that this product is going to provide for you if you decide to try it. Simple, direct, in your face. Okay, there's more. The real truth about inflammation. Now, this is the older package. It was written about back in 2009. Inflammation was not as big of an issue as it is today. So the information was coming out, but people weren't quite sure about, what the deal with inflammation was. So simple headline, the real truth about inflammation, and then scientists reveal the hidden cause of your problems with your bones, cholesterol, joints, energy drain, heart, brain, immunity, mood swings. Inside, discover the remarkable nutrient that can help douse the fires of inflammation and help restore your health again. This was a very successful package. Simple, in your face. The benefits are right there for you. Okay? I like this one a lot. This is for people having digestion problems, people who aren't able to get their foods down. So my promise is, hey, dissolve your food in seconds. I have a lot of copy pre-head, setting it all up. I have, my people verifying that this is the credential of this product, right? These are the experts, I should say, of the product. So breakthrough discovery, U.S. Olympic medical doctor and PhD medical researcher and doctor to celebrities and professional athletes join forces to reveal an amazing new nutrient or new discovery that helps you prevent and eliminate digestive problems and dissolve your food in second. And then I have a proof element up here showing big old steak and green beans and mashed potatoes looking like this in just instance in your body. It dissolves it. For somebody with digestion problems, the food is getting stuck in them, they see this, they want it, and they did. Great control. All right. 99% boost of nitric oxide and revive withering organs. In just minutes, this can happen. Again, the benefits are right there. I show before and after picture of what happens to your organs. The sluggish circulation is making your organs all gross looking and everything else. Afterwards, you open up that circulation and you got red blood cells flowing through and reviving your organs. Very simple approach, very direct, nothing fancy schmancy about it, but it gets to the point. All right. Hey, by the way, did you notice this headline? Revive withering organs. I use that similarly in a potency package. We talked about that. So we'll talk about that too. So there's nothing wrong with taking a headline that works and then tweaking it for other products too. Keep that in mind. Okay. And last but not least, you can have fun when you do benefit packages too. You're still in your face, very direct. Just do it. DOO. Just do it. Eat, poop, repeat. There it is. There's the benefit of this product. This is obviously is a colon digestion product. So, hey, this is what you want to do. You want to do the do hey, this is it. Just do it, and this is how. You're going to eat, you're going to poop, and you're going to repeat. It works for you. So you get it? That's the benefits. These benefit headlines, like I said, they are a solid way to get your message, in front of your prospect. And they work a lot of times. That's why I said they're my bread and butter. But you have to keep this in mind. If you're competing with a lot of people or a lot of other products in this market, a straight in your face benefit headline may not be what you want to do. You may have to add a little bit more to it than just, a simple message, especially if you're competing with other products that have the same message that you're trying to convey to your market. So keep that in mind when you work with benefit headlines. They are good, but they're really good when they're for new products or not as much competition in the market. If there's more competition in the market, there are different things you can do about it. So check the next installment of this video, and we'll go into another great headline idea that works for me all the time. Well, not all the time, most of the time.